Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Halloween decorations, specifically showcasing the best animated pumpkins you can find on the market. Prepare to be amazed as we introduce the ANIMAT3D Inflatable Jabber & Jack, a standout choice for any spooky celebration. At 5 feet tall, this impressive inflatable pumpkin is not just your average decoration. It brings your yard to life. What sets the Jabber & Jack apart is its built-in short-throw projector and speaker, which combine to deliver a captivating animated experience that will thrill both kids and adults alike. With 80 minutes of engaging animations, Jabber & Jack features 3 unique character themes: spooky, traditional, and funny. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or just want to add some festive flair to your porch, this animated pumpkin creates a magical atmosphere that captivates passers-by. No setup is required. Simply plug it in, and watch as it self-inflates in moments. It's designed for outdoor use and is weatherproof, ensuring that rain or shine, Jabber & Jack will stand tall and proud. Another fantastic feature is the ease of use. With volume control and animation skip buttons, you can customize the experience to fit your needs perfectly. Just imagine how much fun the kids will have watching Jack come to life, sharing his spooky tales right in your yard. The ANIMAT3D Inflatable Jabber & Jack isn't just a decoration. It's an experience that will create lasting memories for your family and friends. Picture it. A warm October evening, the sun setting, and Jack lighting up the yard with his animated antics. It's sure to be the highlight of your Halloween festivities. And here's a quick look at what's included in the package. The Jabber & Jack comes with a power cord and all necessary cables to get you started right out of the box. Plus, it's suitable for all ages, making it a fantastic choice for families looking to add some fun to their Halloween celebrations. Imagine how magical your yard will look as night falls. The projector inside Jabber & Jack projects delightful animations, creating a mesmerizing display that will leave everyone in awe. This is more than just an inflatable. It's a centerpiece that brings everyone together for the spooky season. In conclusion, if you're searching for a show-stopping Halloween decoration that's both entertaining and visually appealing, look no further than the ANIMAT3D Inflatable Jabber & Jack. It's the best animated pumpkin you can get, guaranteed to make your Halloween unforgettable. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe for more fantastic product insights. Happy Halloween, and may your celebrations be filled with fun and spookiness.